Welcome to Proof of Concept Mark 1. Just a quick test. We are chin mounted. The wiring's a bit of a challenge. Having all that cabling from the lavalier mic. And because I'm a plank, an absolute twat. Which way should we go? Let's go this way. I didn't quite mount the chin mount in the in the right spot. As you do, I looked at the. I looked back at what was I looking for? I can't remember what I was looking for. Anyway, I wound up back. Oh yeah. Oh no, I wound up back on their website, wanting to check something. So you might have actually been just double checking the fitting instructions. And I thought, oh yeah, I can see they've mounted that much higher, right up under the vent. And of course it is shaped. It's deliberately shaped and printed to fit snugly under the vent, to make sure that it's central, not off to the side, not askew, not twisted. So never mind, it's on there now. Now of course, had I mounted it in the correct place, it would have been pointing at a better angle so that it wouldn't be pointing down like this, which I think it is. I mean, I did, you know, offer it all up and decide where it was going to go. But it's fine because I can put some stubby extension pieces. You know, the little GoPro connector things. I could put one of those in, which will push it out away from the lid a little bit, so that I can then tilt it back a bit further if necessary. It's very blustery today, miserably so. I'd rather it was raining than blowing a frackin' hoolie. Whoa. Panic. Panic. Probably should have tried this with the GoPro 8 first, because if it blew off, I could live with that. I'm not happy with these side winds, you see. to learn to trust it. Now I didn't put a tether on it because the tether is stuck on with the same tape. Now it was well clamped overnight. You know that once again I was stopped. Well, I wasn't stopped. I was sat looking at Google Maps and thinking, is there any road that I can go to that will be quiet around these parts? And I'm just I can't think of one. Everywhere I've ever been, the minute I stop, a flurry of traffic will appear. Okay, right, this might be better. Well, not really. Right. Okay, I've had a quick review of the footage, and from what I can see, I'm happy. So I'm not going to put that extra extension in yet. I think I'll get home first and maybe review on the big screen. Stupid. This is a stupid roundabout. Well, if this proves successful, the whole chin mount thing, just need to work out a better solution for the wiring. Because at the moment I've got it stuck on with a bit of sticky tape. See, my biggest concern is it falling off. The instructions were a bit dubious because you can heat it. You say you heat the pad with either a hot air gun or a hairdryer. Now, a hot air gun will pump out a damn sight more heat than a bloody hairdryer. So I used a hairdryer, and they say for 5 to 10 seconds. Well, I did it a bit longer than that. If they'd have said 5 to 10 seconds with a hot air gun, 30 seconds with a hairdryer, I'd have been a bit happier. But because there's a big difference in what they suggest as curing time. If you don't use any heat, it's a minimum of 72 hours. But with a hairdryer or hot air gun, it's 24 hours.